Hello everyone. So, my nickname is Kayla. My real name is Zuzana Pechová. You can find me on LinkedIn or on basically any social network except TikTok or something like this. And I'm here as a liaison for CyberLadies. And my talk is basically called for people. So, who are we? I started last year with some friends, CyberLadies NGO, which is basically about getting together women and underrepresented people in Czech cybersecurity environment and put them into one platform, which is Discord, because it's very accessible. I would love it to be more secure, but well, I also want as many diverse people here as I can get there, so Discord it is. And yeah, I would like to find someone here in Brno, preferably some woman or future cyber lady, to organize from time to time some small get-together in some pub or something. Because when we started doing it in Prague, well, the first we were 15 people. We will have the second one tomorrow, and it seems that we will be out of capacity of the venue because more than 25 people may show up, and it seems like more than 30 people or maybe 40 will come to the next one, and we will probably have to start finding a new venue and actually doing some program there. So yeah, this is called for people, and what we want to do in the future, it's basically our free time activity, so it's not something like really organized. We do what we can in the time we have, and so the first step is to get just people, preferably women, together into one place. And we are not picky. We don't want like specific cybersecurity area. We have women from with programming background here. We have women who are doing audits in companies, so more administrative kind of tasks. So we have a really diverse set of people on our Discord currently, and currently we have like, I think, 150 people already there, which is quite amazing. We are existing basically for 4 months or something like this. And in the future, we hope we will have enough active people who will be able to do at least some of like 40 activities we have in mind, and at least 2 or 3. Like doing some talks, lectures, doing some fun activities like CTFs, some programming stuff like for building communities, to things like community calendars, community contact list. Get a little bit into media, because women are really underrepresented in the media. Basically, when you check media about cybersecurity, there are always just a few people, and it's almost certainly a few men who are just talking about the same stuff all over again, and we would like to change it in the future a little bit, so mix it up a little. And we hope also to attract ladies who are currently in high school, in universities, so they can talk to us who are seasoned, who are working in cybersecurity for quite a long time. And we would like to share what we know with them, and all our struggles, all our fears, and all our hopes, all our positive experiences. So yeah, that's what we are about, and what we hope we are going to become. So you can just go to our page. There are really good explanations. There is the link to our Discord, and you can check our social networks, which are really sparse right now, but we are trying to speed it up a little and share some interesting information. We are also like getting in touch with many other small NGOs which are dealing with cybersecurity in Czech Republic, and also with programming and with IT, and who support women, notably CyberLadies, of course, and also other NGOs, and that's basically it. So if you want to ask me anything, ask. And also I have stickers with me, so if you want I can give you some and you can share it, and if you find an interesting lady working in cybersecurity, just tell her about us, and maybe she will get in touch and she will start organizing her own stuff with us here in Brno.